Hey there, future millionaires! Welcome to your journey towards financial freedom, where dreams become reality and financial worries become a thing of the past. Ever dream of financial freedom? Imagine a life where you don't have to worry about bills, where you can pursue your passions and where your money works for you, not the other way around. Picture this: retiring early, traveling the world, or simply having peace of mind about your finances. It's not just a fantasy. It's a goal you can achieve with the right strategies and mindset. Investing in the stock market can be your ticket to making those dreams a reality. It's a powerful tool that, when used wisely, can help you grow your wealth exponentially over time. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Investing? That's for Wall Street hotshots. But let me tell you, that's a common misconception. Wrong. Investing is for everyone, from seasoned pros to beginners like you. It's about understanding the basics, making informed decisions, and staying committed to your financial goals. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. By investing, you're not just saving, you're actively growing your wealth and securing your future. Imagine the freedom of knowing that your money is working hard, even when you're not. That's the power of investing. Think of investing as planting a tree. You start with a small seed, nurture it with care and patience, and over time it grows into something strong and fruitful. You start small, nurture it over time, and watch it grow into something strong and fruitful. The key is consistency and patience. The stock market is like a fertile garden, and your investments are the seeds you sow. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can cultivate a bountiful harvest. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey toward financial freedom? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore the world of investing, learn the ropes, and set you on a path to financial independence. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Okay, let's break down this whole stock market thing. The stock market can seem like a complex and intimidating place, but it doesn't have to be. At its core, it's a place where people come together to buy and sell ownership in companies. Imagine a giant marketplace where companies sell tiny pieces of themselves, called stocks or shares. These shares represent a small fraction of the company, and owning them means you own a piece of that company. When you buy a share of stock, you're essentially becoming a part owner of that company. Pretty cool, right? This ownership gives you certain rights, like voting on important company decisions and receiving a portion of the profits, known as dividends. Now, the price of these stocks goes up and down based on various factors like the company's performance, industry trends, and overall economic conditions. For example, if a company releases a new product that becomes a hit, its stock price might go up. Conversely, if the company faces a scandal or financial trouble, the stock price might drop. That's where the excitement and sometimes nail-biting comes in. Investors are constantly trying to predict these movements to buy low and sell high, making a profit in the process. This can lead to a lot of emotional highs and lows. The stock market operates through exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. These exchanges provide a platform for buyers and sellers to trade stocks. They also ensure that trading is done in a fair and orderly manner. Think of them as bustling trading floors, but instead of yelling traders in colorful jackets, it's all done electronically nowadays. This shift to electronic trading has made the stock market more accessible to everyday people. Don't worry, you don't need to be physically present on Wall Street to participate. Thanks to the internet, you can trade stocks from the comfort of your own home. You can buy and sell stocks easily through online platforms called brokerage accounts. These platforms provide tools and resources to help you make informed decisions. And that brings us to our next section, where we'll dive deeper into how to choose the right brokerage account for your needs. Ready to jump in? Investing can be an exciting journey, but it's important to start on the right foot. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, save for retirement, or achieve financial independence, the first steps are crucial. First things first, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy, sell, and manage your investments. Think of it as your personal gateway to the stock market. This is your gateway to the stock market. Think of it as your investing command center. Here, you'll have access to a wide range of financial instruments, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. There are tons of great brokerage firms out there, each with its own perks and fees. Some offer lower trading costs, while others provide extensive research tools and customer support. Do your homework, compare options, and choose one that suits your needs and budget. Look at factors like commission fees, account minimums, and the range of investment options available. Don't be afraid to shop around. It's important to find a brokerage that aligns with your investment goals and offers the tools you need to succeed. Once you've chosen your broker, setting up an account is a breeze. You'll need to provide some personal information, but the process is straightforward and user-friendly. It's just like creating any other online account, with a few extra steps to verify your identity and link your bank account. This ensures that your investments are secure and that you can easily transfer funds. Now you're officially ready to invest. But remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to stay informed and make decisions based on your long-term financial goals. But hold your horses, eager beaver. Before you start throwing money at every shiny stock you see, let's take a step back and develop a solid investment strategy. Before you start throwing money at every shiny stock you see, let's talk about how to choose your investments wisely. Understanding your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals will help you make informed decisions and build a diversified portfolio. Choosing the right stocks can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Think of it like shopping for a new car. You wouldn't just buy the first one you see, would you? You'd do your research, compare models, and consider your needs and budget. Similarly, when selecting stocks, you need to do your due diligence. Start by researching companies that interest you or align with your values. Look into their financials, industry trends, and future prospects. Don't be afraid to ask yourself, is this a company you believe in? Do they have a solid track record and a promising future? Remember, you're not just buying a stock, you're becoming a part owner of a business. Section 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Imagine putting all your money into a single stock, only to have that stock plummet in value. Ouch! That's why diversification is crucial. Think of your investment portfolio as a delicious pizza. Instead of just one topping, you want a variety of flavors to create a balanced and satisfying meal. Similarly, by diversifying your investments across different sectors, industries, and asset classes, you're spreading your risk and protecting yourself from potential losses. Don't put all your faith in a single company or industry. Branch out. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. This way, even if one investment takes a hit, the others can cushion the blow. Section 6. Playing it safe, managing risk in the stock market. Investing always involves some level of risk. But hey, that's life, right? The key is to manage that risk effectively. One way to do this is by setting realistic investment goals and timelines. Are you investing for retirement in 20 years? Or are you saving for a down payment on a house in 5 years? Your investment strategy should align with your goals and risk tolerance. Another crucial aspect of risk management is understanding your own emotions. The stock market can be a roller coaster ride with its share of ups and downs. Don't let fear or greed dictate your investment decisions. Stick to your plan, and don't panic sell when the market takes a dip. Section 7. The long game, patience, and persistence in investing. Remember that tree we talked about earlier? It takes time to grow into something strong and fruitful. The same goes for investing. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay the course, and don't be discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Focus on the long-term potential of your investments. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a winning investment portfolio. Consistency is key. Make regular contributions to your investments, even if it's a small amount. Over time, those small contributions will add up, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Section 8. Staying ahead of the curve, resources for the savvy investor. Knowledge is power, especially in the ever-changing world of finance. As a beginner investor, it's essential to stay informed and continue learning. Luckily, we live in an age where information is readily available at our fingertips. There are tons of fantastic resources out there to help you navigate the stock market with confidence. Check out reputable financial websites and publications, listen to podcasts, or even take online courses to expand your knowledge. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Section 9. Go forth and conquer the market. Congratulations, my friend. You're now well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. Remember, investing in the stock market is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but with patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. So what are you waiting for? Go forth and conquer the market. Your future self will thank you for it.